Hi, I'm Pooja Negi, an assistant professor, and I'm also a content creator. Now, since I'm a professor, so many students who are in their class 12, they keep asking me for mentorship and for finding a right college so that they can pursue it after class 12th. Now, while I was doing my R&D, I got to know about this one university which is very new and it also got appreciated by PM of India for their innovative curriculum. And I'm like, wow. Now I'm a person who doesn't believe much without experience. So I spoke to the faculty and they offered me that why don't I come to the campus and speak to students directly as they are the best who can tell me about the ecosystem. So I took a leave, packed my bags, and I have here shared a very unfiltered opinion in this video. So let's get started. Most universities teach you how to get a job, but what if a university helps you build a startup from day one? So today at Rishiyud University, where students are launching real companies, getting funded, working on global projects, all during their college. So let's go and see that what actually happens in this campus. So I'll be exploring a lot of things, talking with students, exploring their campus, and a lot more. So let's start today's journey. सो मैं कैंपस के एक बहुत सुंदर से पार्ट में हूँ एंड हियर आई सॉ सम स्टूडेंट्स दे आर चिलिंग अराउंड सो मैं इनको थोड़ा सा इंटरप्ट करने वाली हूँ व्हिच आई लव टू सो लेट्स गो एंड आस्क देम हेलो एवरीवन ओके सो लेट मी आस्क देम कि कौन से कोर्सेज में है एंड व्हाट्स सो स्पेशल अबाउट ऋषिहुड ऑफ कोर्स सो कमिंग टू यू फर्स्ट व्हाट्स योर नेम
My name is Sarthak, so I am from BTech CSNA.
uh-huh
And yeah, what about the Rishwood? Like the environment here is so calming and like teachers are so encouraging.
mm-hmm.
Like they help in every areas
Wow,
that we
great.
want.
My name is Fenil, and one thing I like about Rishwood is their culture, their environment, and they force us to think outside the tech.
So one interesting story I have to share about Rishiyud and why I am here is I'm a drop year student. I passed out in 2024 from my 12th. I joined a university. I was working on my startup and I don't know why, but they had a problem with it. So one day the dean called me and said, hey, you have to choose between being a founder or doing a degree. You cannot do a BBA degree while being a founder. We cannot help you. So I'm like, okay, sir. And I said, bye.
Oh, you made a good decision.
सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलता है जैसे मन में कुछ भी आइडिया आया तो हम चले गए बहुत ही मतलब फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर रहता है मतलब कनेक्शंस नहीं लगते यहाँ पे कि हमें किसी को बोल के या किसी के थ्रू जाना पड़ेगा हम डायरेक्टली उनके पास जाके हम हमारा खुल के बता सकते हैं उन्हें कि हाँ हमको ये करना है वो करना है सो वो लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं हेल्प करते हैं
I am a student of computer science data science background.
Okay.
So at first मतलब मैंने रिशूट को जब एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू किया था तो what I witnessed was everyone here was saying that from the first day we code here, we do hands on. It is not like just theory thing.
Mm-hmm.
We get the hands on experience with the very supportive faculty, and when I get here it is really true. मतलब from the first day we code और मतलब ऐसे डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है यहाँ पे सबके साथ घुलना मिलना बिकॉज फैकल्टी बहुत सपोर्टिव है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत वगैरह हो शाम है रात का टाइम है दे आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल फॉर अस मतलब यहाँ पे ना अगर हमारे पास कोई भी आइडियाज हैं तो ये नहीं है कि हाँ हमें उसे दबा के रखना पड़ेगा या फिर हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि हाँ किसको हम कांटेक्ट करें कहाँ से हम कहाँ पहुँचे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है हम डायरेक्ट अपनी फैकल्टी को रीच आउट कर सकते हैं
यहाँ पर फेस्ट्स होते रहते हैं काफ़ी एंड एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ होती है यहाँ पे हर नवंबर के स्टार्टिंग में 1 और 2 नवंबर को होती है जो कि होती है 100 किलोमीटर्स की वॉक
100 किलोमीटर्स की वॉक
हाँ।
Oh my God, crazy.
तो
अच्छा.
उसमें मैंने इस साल पार्टिसिपेट करा था
Okay.
एंड काफ़ी अच्छा लगा
तो बेसिकली
फिर-
होता क्या है मतलब
उसमें हम 50 किलोमीटर्स एक दिन जाते हैं फिर 50 किलोमीटर्स वापस आते हैं मेरे को ये रिफ्लेक्ट हुई बात कि अगर मैंने इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को मेंटली पुश करा है तो अब मेरे अंदर बैरियर किस बात का बचा है बात करने के लिए तो मेरा बैरियर खत्म हो गया उससे
So actually I was just roaming around and मुझे मिला है सुनीत and he's also running a startup. So let's see कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं and what his startup is about. Hi Suneet.
Hi. So I'm second year student at Rishwood University. So we are building a reroute. तो जैसे इंडिया एजिंग फेज में इंटर कर रहा है बट nobody are talking about them कि हमें जिन्होंने हाथ पकड़ के चलना सिखाया आज हम उनके बारे में ही बात नहीं कर रहे हैं सो लोगों को ये कन्विंस करना कि सीनियर्स डिजर्व प्रेजेंस नॉट योर इंटेंशन ये बहुत हार्ड होते जा रहा है दैट्स वाई वी आर बिल्डिंग अ रीरूट जहाँ पे हम लोग सीनियर्स को एंड टू एंड केयर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं लाइक प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ home health.
Okay, wow, great. That's such a good initiative. And you're such a young professional and you're thinking about elderly people and their problems is something very good, appreciable. So here I am again with Manit, and he has a very interesting story to tell. So hey Manit.
Hi. So nice to meet everyone. I'm Manit Agarwal and I run a marketing agency called Brandopia. I've been running it for almost 2 years. And as a founder, I just started it. It was I'm more of an execution person. So while doing something, and I have entrepreneurial vision. So while thinking about it, I was like, "Ki, what can I do? What can I do?" And I thought idea doesn't matter for me. It's more about execution. So I started my marketing agency with my co-founder. We started working, and now it's 2 years, and we have scaled to 6-figure monthly.
Wow, that's so great.
Yes. So we had some great clients like Nishorama is one of our initial clients. We are currently working with Global Ocean Logistics, which is a public company. We work with international clients and everything. And I prefer to diversify it because I love to work on different problem statements, honestly. Sorry for being a bit sleepy because last night, my whole night went to scheduling client schedules and everything.
It's the qualities of a founder, and an entrepreneur.
Yes. I would say Rishiod has a huge, diverse yet deep ecosystem for everyone, not just founders. For me, I will just share my story. First of all, my degree, BBA Entrepreneurship, is, I would say it's a degree only for entrepreneurs or people who don't want to go to conventional way of studying. This degree teaches you a lot. It's a hands-on degree. So I'm building my startup while studying. Whether it's my finance class, marketing class, entrepreneurship class, I'm building my startup. And they're asking me to build it. First of all, we have a Makers Fund. So Makers Fund is basically in our degree. We have a 1 lakh rupees FD, which we get at the end of our third year to make a startup. While we have a jumpstart program, so students college finds are more capable and quality right now, so they get half of that amount, 50,000 rupees, to build in their second or first year. So that's jumpstart. Then we have of course Venture Studio, which is our own investment area. So you can go to Pooja ma'am and Soumya ma'am, you can pitch your startup, and if they find the quality and the MVP working, they will invest in you. The amount is a lot. It doesn't matter how much the amount you need, they will fund it if they feel your quality and you're working on it.
So here I am again back with one more student who is a founder of Kickstarter, and it's an amazing startup. So yeah, hello Raghav. Please tell me about your own startup.
So myself Raghav Gupta. I am a second year student in Rishiod University studying BTech. So basically मेरा startup है Kickzar. ये एक aggregate platform है, टॉफ्स, पिकलबॉल कोर्ट्स, इन सबका एक बुकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है. Yes, so currently अभी हम लोगों को 5 months हो गया है स्टार्टअप को रन करने का. मुझे ये आइडिया आया था IPL के टाइम पे, तो मैंने ये सौम्या मैम को पिच किया एंड देन सौम्या मैम ने मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट दिया था 10 lakhs का, और अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अभी हमारी करंट वैल्यूएशन 2 crore की है. तो अभी रिसेंटली हम लोग नागपुर में लॉन्च कर चुके हैं, और हम लोग अभी नागपुर में 10 to 15 टर्फ्स हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, और मंथली हमारे 200 यूजर्स आते ही है खेलने टर्फ पे. तो अभी हम लोग 2 to 2.5 लाख GMV हिट कर रहे हैं पर मंथ. यस, और अभी हमारा प्लान है कि हम अक्रॉस इंडिया लॉन्च करेंगे इसको. सो इसलिए हमने रिसेंटली जितेश शर्मा हमारे RCB के फॉरवर्ड कैप्टन को साइन किया.
Oh wow, great. Any other? What are your plans with this business?
यस, तो अभी नेक्स्ट 6 months में हम लोग बैंगलोर और जितने भी Tier 1 cities है इंडिया की, उन सब में लॉन्च करने वाले हैं.
So best wishes with that, and hopefully it is going to be something very big. So here we have now Aditya with us, and he recently went to a lot of places and have won a very crazy prizes. So we'll see what he have done, and he's a very active child in extracurricular activities. So yes, Aditya.
Yeah, so I would like to say talk about my competitions. So recently I went to IIT Jodhpur, and over there we had competitions around business and tech. So specifically it was product designing and also reviving a business. So what we did was make PPTs by pulling an all-nighter. We had to work overnight and then prioritize one competition over the other. But yeah, we won in both of the competitions, so it was a great experience, you see, because going from here to some place, being IIT Jodhpur, we won over there, and it was a great experience.
Wow, congratulations.
Before that, I actually also went to IIT Bombay, and over there, out of 4,000 teams, we were in the top 10. So it was a great experience, you see, because it was E-Summit of IIT Bombay, and it's Asia's biggest E-Summit conclave.
So here I got to know about some unique academic benefits. So for that, let's talk to one of the students and learn more about it.
बाकी सब यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के BBA से ये BBA इस यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत अलग है, बिकॉज एज इट इज़ अ स्टार्टअप फोकस्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड यहाँ पे आप अपने खुद के चीज़ें, बिजनेस एंड ऑल सब चीज़ें ग्रो कर सकते हैं. आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में ही आपको एक 50,000 की सीड फंडिंग मिलती है. यहाँ पे एक मेकर्स फंड है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जहाँ से 1 लाख रुपीज़ आपको पूरा ग्रांट मिलता है, एंड यू कैन टेक 50,000 इन फर्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो, या फिर आप पूरा 1 लाख भी ले सकते हैं अगर आपका स्टार्टअप आइडिया बहुत ऐसे रेवोल्यूशनरी हो। एंड ये पूरा फंड हमारे रिशोड यूनिवर्सिटी से आता है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बीबीए जो ओवरऑल कोर्स है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मॉडर्नाइज्ड है। हमें अलग से मैकबुक्स दी जाती हैं। वी हैव गॉट सम बिजनेस कार्ड्स फॉर अस, ऐसे बिजनेस कार्ड्स दिए जाते हैं। ये मेरा खुद का बिजनेस कार्ड है। एंड हमारे यहाँ पे लिंक्डइन आईडीज़ की बहुत ध्यान दी जाती है इस यूनिवर्सिटी से। मेरे खुद लिंक्डइन में 1000+ फॉलोअर्स है। यू कैन फॉलो मी शीलादित्य रॉय, दिस इज माई नेम। ऐसे हमें नेम प्लेट्स भी दिए गए हैं जो हम क्लास में यहाँ पे ऐसे लगाते भी हैं हर क्लास में। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टॉकिंग अबाउट द मैकबुक, हमें मैकबुक एयर दी गई है और यूनिवर्सिटी से ही। एंड बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स एंड डिज़ाइन स्टूडेंट्स को मैकबुक प्रो देते हैं।
I now decided to have a campus tour, and for that, I took some help of the students to get me through their campus. And this is the innovative lab. Let's explore.
Oh, hello again. I'm here with Shreya, and she'll take me through this innovative lab. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, ma'am.
So please tell me what this lab is about.
Okay, so this is our robotics lab where we actually build things, where we combine software and hardware, and we see how it works together. It is kind of very interesting to us as we are CS background, but obviously we want to know how hardware and software works together. So this is the place where we do it. So right now we are having 3 major projects going on in our lab. So one of them is drone, one of them is underwater vehicle, and one of them is autonomous vehicle. So this is a 3D printer, but we are trying to convert it into a bioprinter which basically prints tissues for medical purposes.
Then I moved to their design department, which really caught my eye. They had something very, very beautiful and amazing things there.
So we have now Ruchita with us, and she'll take me through, this and give me a tour of our department. So hi, Ruchita.
Hello, ma'am.
So can you just take me through whatever you have done and what you guys actually do in this department?
So basically these two walls are for the students जिन्होंने माइनर चूज किया था डिजाइन को।
Okay.
तो उनकी जूरी यहाँ पे लाइक जो भी काम है वो लगा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। एंड
So then I moved to the department of design, the lab where students do their work from designing, from creating, and actually implementing it. Now this was first their design department and the design lab, and that I saw some really amazing work. Then they moved to the pottery part, the art part, and whatnot. I was very, very impressed by these designs, the crazy ones, the art which was created by the students only. Then I saw this piece, which was really captivating, which I actually loved.
Actually, starting when I came to this department, this was very eye-catching.
yeah, it does.
Then I moved to their human augmentation lab, and here one of their professors introduced me to one of their things, which was very creative and innovative.
So no, some task in virtual reality. So something like that they put the glasses on, and inside that they will open some games or possibly some psychological intervention which might have some social dynamics or any kind of environment. So they test that how the brain is responding to it. So that's the primary thing which they do in this lab.
Then I checked their psychology department where there were some very exciting things, and the best part was that there is a listening lab where students can come and vent out their problems. Then I moved to check some of their facilities, like one in this boys' hostel, and the cleanliness was there, the hygiene was well maintained, and the balcony view was something very fresh, airy, and here you can have your tea and the snacks. Perfect place. Next, I also moved to the laundry part and saw that how clothes are segregated, washed, and everything is done.
रूम अच्छे हैं यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे, मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं एंड
I can see यहाँ पे spaces काफी अच्छे से दे रखे हैं.
हाँ, मतलब सामान सारा आ जाता है एंड हॉस्टल में फैसिलिटीज़ हर फ्लोर पे फ्रिज हैं एंड माइक्रोवेव हैं। क्लीन करने के लिए डेली आते हैं वर्कर्स, एंड अगर आपको स्पेशली क्लीन करवाना हो कि आपने एकदम मैस कर दिया रूम, तो वो स्पेशली भी अलग से आ जाते हैं जब आप बुलाओगे।
Okay, so I see bed boxes. अब bed box भी दे रखा है?
हाँ, बेड बॉक्सेस हैं एंड ड्रॉर्स हैं, अलमीरा है, अलमीरा के नीचे शू बॉक्स है, शू बॉक्स बाहर भी हैं।
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ, और ऊपर भी स्पेस है बैग्स रखने के लिए।
अच्छा, AC भी है, so summer में भी ना
हाँ,
अच्छी लगती है.
एसी है, और समर में मतलब आप चेंज कर सकते हो सारी चीजें, सेटिंग उसमें एक ही उसमें दी गई है बोर्ड में।
Okay. And I see this beautiful table behind you. मतलब ये काफी अच्छे से सेट भी है, but they have this,
हाँ।
categorizations of things और बाकी अपनी बुक्स के लिए, नोटबुक्स के लिए.
हाँ, वाइट बोर्ड एंड सॉफ्ट बोर्ड में आप मतलब लिख सकते हैं जो भी स्केच, अगर ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे हैं कोई आइडिया।
हाँ हाँ.
Next, we move to their library, which has this open space and it is very spacious and a very good place to learn not only books but Constitution of India, the Tulsi Smriti, and many more things.
So I've literally spent a day at Rishi Hood University, and it's been crazy because I met so many students. Okay, and first of all, what I love was that here students are very friendly and they have this, innovation wali cheese. Whoever I met, they have something, कि we wanna have this as a startup करना चाहते हैं, and for most of them, they are in their first year and they are already into something, creating something. Some of them are actually into 3-4 businesses, 3-4 startups, and they all have this, zeal. तो मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी of the students that they are all into so much of creativity and into learning and creating something, which is so amazing because आजकल students otherwise we see they are mostly distracted, but यहाँ पे जाके whatever ideas they have people जिनको वो लोग बता सकते हैं, they can share their ideas too, and with that they will definitely get a result. They are provided so many platforms which are there to help them. Whoever has this idea of creating something or innovating something, I believe Rishi Hood is the place. So yeah, that's for today, and I love my experience at Rishi Hood, and you must also come here and explore the campus because it's crazy, trust me, and you will love it too.
So, one thing is clear that this place is built for builders. From startup funding to global exposure to real product building, students here are not just studying, they are learning, relearning, enjoying, playing, and launching. So, if you're someone who wants to create, build, and experiment, this campus might be worth exploring.